Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning, good morning. What up, Clarity, down to MSK Weeks. Futures Trader, how's it going? Just trying to get everything set up here. I am running a little behind here. Just a little behind, that's okay. I want to make sure we get everything set up properly, not make any mistakes. Exact quantity, okay, that copier is correct. Let's move that over to here. And then this, let's make sure it's on the right pair. Okay. It is already. And the right ATM. There we go. All right, got that set up. So we're good there, good there. Let's get this on the right account. Oh, I can't even trade Traders Launch. I forgot I maxed it out yesterday. Morning, Robert, Cooper. Let me see here, because I don't even know what account I got to trade this morning on this. Let's see here. Good opening range this morning, 40 points. A really good opening range. Blackout, F this market. Yeah, Tony Gold, what up? A buffer on Traders Launch. Yeah, you got to make $1,000. You can withdraw anything above $1,000 once you're funded. But once you're funded, when you make $1,000, they then move you to live. So if Chicago PMI at 945, 3-star jolts at 10. So you make $1,000, they're going to stop you out, move you to live, and then anything above that, the next day you'll be able to take out the full amount. Well, with the 80-20 split. All right, let me see here. I'm trying to figure out what account I want to use on the opening range today. No, I'm good, Weeks. I'm just, you ever come into the day, like, you show up late for class, you know what I mean? And you're trying to get everything set up, you feel like you're running behind. That's kind of like how I feel right now. Even though, I mean, I've got plenty of time to get everything set up here. I just feel like I'm running behind. Feel like I'm running behind. He kind of trying to decide. I mean, we'll see. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go over here and do this. Start of the day green. Let's go. Your pre-market curse. All right, let's see here. All right, getting everything set up here. All right, let's take a look at Mancini's levels right quick and see what he has to say today. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's going to be something to the effect of we need a deep pullback. I mean, we're about 40 points above the nearest level from last night. He's saying 92 to 82, watch traps of 82 potentially, so that could be a thing. There are no actionable supports now until much lower. Refer to news level for levels. So I guess we could maybe watch for traps of 82. Probably not the greatest of setups, but that's what we could do. And then, which one of these are actually the... Got some levels marked out here, but I don't know. Where are these from? I mean, clearly these are nothing there. Oh, I didn't mark out the levels yet from yesterday. Let's get the gap. Previous day close and everything marked out here. That is 99550. Oh, maybe I did have it marked out. Yeah, I did. I think that's what that was, right? Uh, 0550. Yeah, I think those were the previous day close and open. I think so right there at the 30K mark as well. We don't have London low. London high has already been ran. All right. All right. You can't beat AI trading. I mean, it's all kind of been like that, right? What up, Son of Wall Street? Tris, Lucky Mon. Of course, we're breaking down here right before open. That sucks. It's like it's going to be another tricky day of getting this trade down. Oh, let me switch over here. Ulinox, MNQ. That'll work. And let's see here. What I might do here, we might do a little full port action on this Bulenox eval at this open here. I don't even know what we're going to do. 4 micros or 4 minis? No, wait. We're on micros. Now we got about 5 minutes here until open. Let's have an amazing day. Yeah, Cooper, I'll probably wait. Let's check and see how many sales we are away from on Take Profit Trader, guys, on hitting the goal. We had a decent day yesterday. I think we end up getting 10 sales. So last night when I looked, we still needed 14 today to hit the bonus. That is a lot, but like, is it impossible? It's not impossible. Could happen. So if you're looking to pick up a Take Profit Trader account, please use code MM. Let's see how many exactly we need. Let me tell you guys. We need 12 sales. Maybe 11 might get us there within a few dollars. 11 might get us close. Yeah, this is the last day, Lucky Mine. So we're at 13,860. We need to be at 15K. So 11 times 3 is 33. Ooh. I think we need 12. If we get one purchase that's not a 50K, that's a bigger account, then we can get it done with 11. Appreciate you, Lucky Mine. You the man. All right, let me go ahead and get, how do I want to do this? How do we want to do this? Morning, Mad Moxie. With teamwork, that's right. Let's see here. Buy stop limit. And then I'm going to have to go. Let me get in here and edit this right quick. 3, 40, 80. Oh, wait, that's wrong. Yeah. 2. Custom. Stop to break even. 2. Okay. Save. TPT. Okay. Save. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I did that fast. Hopefully I did it right, but. What up, Trading Star? One sell was yours. Let's go, Clarity. All right, I'm going to try to be able to do this on both sides here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but we'll give it our best shot here. So that's going to be 46. Oh, man. I'm not going to be able to do it over here on both, so let's just do it on this one. It's going to be too tricky. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we're popping out here before open. Oh, come on. Didn't tag me in, did it? All right, now I'm tagged in. All right. So I end up getting it there. That'll work. Okay. End up getting it down there. Not the cleanest, but it worked. Now, why would this not let me drop the order over here? I don't understand. Can I only trade 30 micros? Guess so. $186 is the midnight. Might try a little play here. Might wreck the account. Nice pullback. Tagged in there. Tagged out there. Let's go. Now we're going to size down here. Size it down, size it down. I think. If we go and we take out this bottom side down here, I may try it one time down there too. If you guys haven't already, let's hit that like button. We're going to get a giveaway going here in just a minute. I still got to send the gentleman, King Emmons, I got to send you your account from yesterday too. I know. I forgot. I got you though. Yeah, 200 points in 3 minutes. That's a ripper. That's what we call a ripper. You can get in, you can make some money, but you can also get ripped. So if we can get 12 sales today, while we're on the stream, guys, I'll do the 3 150K giveaways today, right now, right this minute. No messing around. So if we can get those 12 sales, we can we'll do the giveaway. There's definitely no pullback here. I mean, I could get long here and just, I think we're going to that 264. Do I just start averaging into this? I think I do. I'm going to start averaging into this on an eval here. Start averaging into the long. Because ultimately, I think we're going up here. We got a nice big trade right here, so we got about $500 in profit to play with. Good morning, iTrades. There we go. Quick squeeze there. Quick squeeze up. Right through the 200s. Should just run that 264. This market is Trump Casino. Yeah, it is kind of wild. Definitely kind of wild here. Yeah, ES is not, I mean, it's in like a 10-point range right here. I should mark out that data wick on NQ as well. I didn't do that. So if it hit on NQ, all right, no, it didn't hit. There we go. Banger. 12.5 points on ES compared. Yeah, troops, exactly. I don't know why my camera would not let me adjust anything today. What is going on with it? All right, pullback here. Trying to get the camera fixed here, guys. I don't understand what's going on with the camera this morning. Okay. All right, we're back. I'm trying to get the camera back up. This thing's pulling back pretty hefty here. That's, I don't know, 100-point pullback almost. Let's see. ES back to 03 there. Closed above 03, man. Oof. I don't know. Tricky spot. What up, Keith? I'm here. I'm here. I'm not hiding, bro. The camera is acting wild. I mean, like, it was fine. It's just... yeah, I'm working on it. Considering maybe jumping back in here, but gonna wait. Gonna wait. Back about 235. Do we squeeze again? Sure seems that way. Hmm. Yeah, still isn't making broken pre-market high. I don't know. If ES gets back above 07, maybe it can squeeze. Yeah, we do have news in 2 minutes. Good call. Good call. See what the news does. See if the news rips us back through the highs there or not. I don't know. It might. You know, a little pullback here. There comes the news, guys, in just a moment. I had a sneeze. All right. Woo. Jolts will move the market. Yeah, 15 more minutes for sure. I mean, how much it moves, who knows? You never know, right? Yes, it's still just, I mean, it's trying to get above 75.07 and hold. Um, man, it looks, man, it looks like it wants to go. I'll be honest. Like I kind of, if it pulls back to 75.03 and maybe we'll get another baby sweep of it, you can maybe long off that. But schedules are nothing compared to spontaneous for sure. I mean, it's not a Mancini really type setup there, but I think it could work. Oh, come on. I want to see a I want to see like a sweep of 03 and then maybe we could take the push up here. Let's see. What did Mancini say? A trap of 82 or something like that? Yeah. Let's see if we get the trap of 82. We didn't get the 03. Really didn't sweep it there. It did go up 6 points already. 180 to 260 barcode needs to break. Yeah. Let's see if we get a pullback trap here. I don't want to just jump in. Oh yeah, I forgot about the camera. Sorry guys. I was working on the camera and then I got distracted by a trade. It's ranging here. Nvidia's been dropping over the last 10 minutes. I don't know. This thing's not. Camera's not working. There you go. Let's put myself in the corner like that right there. What do you think? As soon as I click the chart, I'm gone. I'm just waiting, guys. Nothing to do here. What up, gold chest? Ah. Microsoft Power Toys. I don't know anything about that. Well, well, well. Unfortunately, squeezing here without me. I was looking for the resweep of maybe 03 to kind of get in there. Just didn't get it. ES kind of breaking out here. There we go, squeezing above the, well, did it run the high there? Yeah, it did. We could. There's the 20. Remember, Mancini's been talking for a week about the back test of 75.30, saying that we kind of have to back test that level, or that it makes sense to, right? So we're approaching the 75.30 now at 75.20 here with the news coming. $75.30's up there, guys. It's up there. Very little volume traded on ES last week. Yeah. I just couldn't press the button there on ES. I mean, I wanted to see it pull back and maybe sweep the 03 to give me a shot. Just never did. Rubber, talking about Adam Mancini 4 on Twitter. He does really good, like, he's just really good at charting on the ES. Very good at charting, giving out levels. I was long all the way down here. I was long here on the eval, and then I was long down here on the other accounts at 30,046. After a large, you're trigger shy. Yeah. All right, pulling back here, 280s now. New 5-minute candle coming up. Because this is a chase play, I'm going to protect myself here. This is a chase. And we got news coming up too. His positioning going into jolts, yeah. I'm going to give this 1 point into profit here. $400 left. You can work with that blackout. It's not ideal, but you can work with it. Come on. Hold it. We know you want that 30. We know you want that 30. 2.5 minutes until news here. Might even move this up here to like 35. And if it can just blast through there, I'll just trail it tight. But probably get stopped out before then. All right, that's okay. Probably going to go, but, it's kind of a chase play. I have to protect myself quickly there. I think it probably blasts through the 30 with the news here. 32480 contracts. The funded builder account on news. Let's risk it. It's going to probably just rip right through there. It literally just came down to stop me out. It saw my stop. It said, let me come stop him out. And then go. Oh, you traded pre-market chop? Hey, man, it's one of those things, right? I think ES pushes into the 30 here. I mean, I really could probably take a failed break, like a recovery of 30 long, too. That is a possibility. 353 is 1% up. There comes news. 15 seconds. Two points away, yeah. I think it might rip right through there on the news, but let's see. If we get a pullback here, I still could take it. Let's see if we pull back through the 20 here. Kind of maybe retest 11 before we're going up. That would be nice. I don't think it does, but. See if we get a pullback here. Maybe give us an opportunity. It's not going to be the highest of probability of setups, but we'll take it. And if we do, we will only need 5 points on all 3 contracts, by the way. Okay, here we go. Okay. Get back above 20 here. I'm going to take the long on the ES, I believe. 40-point short. Nice, Jamie. Back down to the 515s here on NQ. I'm sorry, the 280. All right, I need 26.25 to pass this account. To pass one. Can we get it? Squeeze this thing up. Come on. I need it to pass. 26.25. Give it to me. Let's go. Let's go. I think I passed one account. Did we? Let's look at it together. Ha ha ha, we did. And now we're less than 1,000 away on these two. Bang! Let's go. Let's go. What was Room? Did I miss Room's comment? Has anyone denied TPT? No. No, Room Beats. I've never heard of anybody ever being denied. You having a problem? I mean, I guess unless you trade news. I mean, that could be the only reason, right? So, TPT passed. There's 75.30. I feel like we had an obvious kind of draw there. So that's what, a little failed breakdown of this 20 level there, a little pullback, sweep, recovery, long, bam. So still can continue to go higher. Room, I don't know. Quite the flip on the 5 minute, yeah. Room, are you trying to hide your name? Oh, goodness. Yeah, I just did, Room. Let's go. Good day here. Let's show you guys the P&L here. Good day. So, nice day. We are, I don't even know on, anybody know on, I don't even know what the payout rules on Tradeify are. This is a directive funded account. I don't know if I got to get to 2,100 or I got to get to 3,000. I'm not even sure. I probably should know that. Yeah, I know, Room. It's the cameras was like super dull. Let me, here, I can do this. Hold on. I can do it this way. Ah. So where is that on my thing? Oh, it's right there. There we go. On Lightning Funny, you need to get to the same private target as passing evals before you. So 3,000. So 3,000 would get me there. Let me see if I can move this around a little bit. You just passed your 3 traders launch accounts. Let's go. You just got past the eval stage or the funded stage, Weeks? I mean, either way, it's the same thing. If you get past the eval, then they will get you set up in the funded with $1,000 in drawdown, and you got to make $1,000. Once you make $1,000, they will lock you out and move you to live. Then you can start taking payouts from your live account. I'm trying to hide the taskbar. Okay, there we go. Maybe that'll do it. Can't you make more than 600 in a day to stay within 20%? Yeah. That's right. Why is the dang taskbar staying up here? Like, I don't understand. You can see that reaction off 75.30 there that Mancini kind of talked about, right? Big area. It should be automated. It should be automated, I believe. Yeah, mine was automated like next day. All right, which one did I pass? Let me take that off there just to make sure that I don't accidentally do something stupid on that one. Apply, okay. I'm going to take that off there. Oh, data series, I think, right? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, there we go. All right, we're all set up here. Except you guys can't. See, that's the problem with this setup, the way I got this. Okay, I guess I don't really need this chart. There we go. Is that good enough? That's got me over there in the corner. Nobody puts baby in a corner. Nobody puts methodical in the corner. All right, guys, let's take a look and see here because we want to keep up with how many. Because if we get, first of all, let's hit the like button. Only got 29 likes. If you want to enter the giveaway, exclamation point MM. Again, if we can get the appropriate amount of sales, while we're on stream here, we'll give away 3 Take Private Trader 150K accounts live on the stream. But we needed 12 more sales, 12 more 50Ks. Of course, if you buy 150K or because it's based on dollar amount, it's less sales based on that. So I'll show you guys exactly what we need here. I'll show you exactly what we need. If you want to help, awesome. If not, that's fine too. So we're $1,140 away. So the average, the 50K costs 103, I think, 102, 103, something like that. So we're either 11 or 12 sales away from hitting the 3 150K account to give away. Now, we got 10 sales yesterday, so it's not outside the realm of possibility for us to be able to get there today. So, it's not outside the realm of possibility. I'm going to do it like this. So if you're looking to pick up an account from Take Profit Trader, please use code MM to help us out. And I'm going to do this. Oh, I moved the wrong one. Oh, you know what I can do? Yeah, I can do it that way, right? Sure. Let's just pull this down. I don't know how I can do that. Let's see. Yeah, we'll have to do a new one. Let's do that. Where's that one at, though? There you go. Try to make it to where you guys can see. There you go. So if somebody buys something, you'll know there. There you go. I guess we could make that a little bigger, huh? Is there a limit on how many funders you can have with Traders Launch? I think it's 3. I do think it's 3. So. Hey, somebody bought an account. Let's go. So now we just need, looks like we got 2 people. Is that right? So what do we need? 10? Yeah, we still need like 11. 10 or 11. Appreciate you. How can you get international payout to bank account on TPT? It's weird. I don't know. One has already been upgraded, but not the second. Oh, I don't know weeks. I mean, it should, I mean, it's probably just taking a little more time. I don't know, Room. I'm not sure. I asked Tom and he never responded. Let me see if he ever responded. I know he's not busy right now. Let's check on it. Tom. Let's call Tom. Just got a TPT, sent you an email. Let's go, Lucky Mine. Thank you. Let's call Tom. Let's see if he answers. Wait, is Tom still on My Funded TV? He's not, is he? No. Yeah, Tom Sabo. Oh, you can have 5 fundeds with Traders Lunch. I didn't know that. And it's also 30% off Traders Lunch. And by the way, I do need a few more sales on Tradeify too. Their sale is going to end. That 5-pack deal will end today, I believe. But let's call Tom right quick and see if he answers. And we'll pipe him into the stream if he answers.
And the legend.
Hi, Tom Sabo. You are on the stream.
I am on the stream. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to talk about last night with you. But anyway, that's for later.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later, guy. You gotta include that later on.
Or later stream. Yeah. So how's it going? How many accounts did you blow up so far?
No accounts blown up yet today, but we do have a question for you.
Oh my gosh. The answer is no.
So
I don't know.
Room Beats in my chat is trying to get an international payout with Take Profit Trader, and he's having a problem with PayPal.
Oh, I forgot to answer you that. So international payout. Okay, Room Beats. Yeah. So the way you can do it. So I am having an international bank account, like in my country in Hungary. I have a dollar account that I actually added. And I don't know which country Roombeats lives in, but you can open a Wise account, by the way. So Wise lets you to open a checking account in the US, by the way. And so if you add your Wise account at Take Profit Trader, that the payout is super fast. It's basically instant. The payout is instantly on your Wise account. So whenever I got the payout from Take Profit Trader, I got the email and it's already on my Wise account. So if you live in the European Union, then most likely you're able to open up a Wise account. Wise can open up for free. It opens up a checking account for you, US-based checking account, and you can add that in Take Profit Trader, and boom, you're done. That's how easy.
All right. I think Room is in Europe, I believe. So.
Okay, so the thing is, if he can access wise.com, it's a free service, no money needed to be paid, online bank. It's really good to transfer money to your personal bank account, and you can add it to Take Profit Trader. Yeah, and the transfer is fast. Yeah.
Did you have to send any wiener pics?
No, that's only when you have 5-figure payouts. And, I still haven't achieved that. But I've been told you need to. So any payout higher than 10K, wiener pics must be included there. Yeah.
Alpha wants to know, can we use Wise instead of Rise on My Funded Futures? I'm not sure.
No, because I'm not sure, though. I think they're still going with Rise mainly. They made some exceptions, only a few as far as I've heard, when there was some major technical issue, something, I don't know. So there are like overall in the whole prop firm, maybe just a few traders that has been excluded. I mean, they have made an exception and they're making a transfer, but they had to come up with solid proof that there's a technical glitch somehow. Because Rise also, by the way, Rise is not wiring to Wise, just saying, as a plus add-on. But anyway, at My Funded Futures, it's only Rise, unfortunately.
No, I passed the Take Profit Trader account this morning, 150K. Let's go.
Ooh, okay. So don't full port it, right?
We're still needing 10.5 more sales, Tom. So I know you already bought 2, but
I bought 2. Maybe I can get some more, right? Let's buy some more.
How many more can Tom buy? What do you guys think in the chat?
I can buy a few more, maybe 1 or 2. Like I'm already having 4 accounts, maybe 5. I don't even know, 5 accounts with TPT, which is great. Because TPT is amazing, by the way, everybody. We love TPT as well. Super amazing. And I can't believe that you guys cannot support Myth to get 10 accounts. Come on, everybody. That's easy 10 accounts. Come on,
they're
easy.
They're doing the best they can. Don't attack nobody.
I'm just trolling everyone. I'm just joking, of course. I can get you like
Trading
1 or
Star.
2 more.
Trading Star says you can buy 2 more.
I can buy. Yeah, I can buy 2 more.
And
yeah,
then,
I can buy 2 more.
And how many is Sabina gonna buy?
Well, I'm not sure. She doesn't like trading that much. I mean, that doesn't really. Maybe I'll call some friends, but I can get two more maybe. Yeah, let's because I'm overloaded with take profit trader. Actually, I wanted to spend money on my funded futures a little bit more, and maybe on Tradeify and Lucid accounts. So, but you know what? Because I also want to do the best I can to help you out. So, guys, let's get that 10 accounts. I can get two. Yeah, I can
Let's
get two done.
go. Tom's the man. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
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 Somebody said, who's that? Alpha said you got a payout yesterday. You can buy 5. And Room said he's going to clip the "We love TPT" comment and send it to My Funded TV. He's gonna do one of those clipping things on the round table tomorrow and play it.
Oh my gosh, that is okay. Okay, stop streaming, delete the VOD, and you can come back live again. So we
Get
need to
out of
get rid
here.
of this. Yeah, no, just immediately.
Got to change it to where you can't rewind, you can't clip, all those things.
I told you to do that. This is the reason, right? You see, this is the reason.
Tom does that, right?
Yeah.
You can't rewind yours, right?
Yeah, it's because, I used to say that it's because it's much smoother for the stream, but it's usually if I get naked or do something crazy, people won't be able to scroll back. It's easier, right? Yeah.
Tom is potentially getting naked on his stream, guys. You never know.
Yeah, I mean, you guys never know if I'm wearing a Speedo or nothing, so it makes it fun,
Yeah. Well, all right, Tom, I won't keep you long. I'll hit you up after the stream.
You're not. All right. Take care.
See ya. All right, there you go. There's your answer. I knew Tom would know, Yeah, he gets payouts from them. The market's pushing up here 400s, guys. Let's go. Give us cash. Give us cash. Gotta love some cash. Gotta love some cash. All right, so Tom said he might could buy 2 more, so that would help. That would help. Let's see where we're at. Same spot. You wanted to avoid using Wise because you have PayPal already? Yeah. I would just use Wise. I mean, if they're going to pay you through there easier, if it's a non-issue, I'd just do that. But guys, do you think we're going back to all-time highs? Let's take a look at the hourly right quick. I mean, what do we got going on here? I mean, we've really... ES is squeezing above the 30 here. You kind of have the failed breakdown to 30. Mancini talked about how the bulls are back in control, kind of above 30. The hourly, we kind of swept this hourly here. Not really a whole lot holding us down here. Man, we might just squeeze up. Is the 4th of July rally in effect? The 4th of July rally here. Relative equal highs up there at 975 as well. And did this gap get filled? It did not. No, this is a 4 hour, so I don't know if that gap. I don't know if this gap is still valid up here or not. If I look on a little bit of a smaller time frame. Oh, they have better conversion rates. Okay, I got you. Let's see. I mean, fortunately for me, I don't have to really deal with that kind of stuff, but definitely want you to get your money. Okay, so no, this gap's no good. It's already been filled. God dang it. I didn't realize I was going to have to delete so much stuff there. This is kind of an obvious wick here, though, in the 15-minute. I mean, that's way up there. Well, 200 and 300 points, which is not that far up there for the good old, Tom said he bought 2 more. All right, let's go. How long does it take? Probably just instant. What up, Palm Tree? Usually when you're signing up for those third-party services, it's instant. Maybe sometimes they may want to deposit something and verify it, but all right, Tom bought 2 more there, guys. That means we need 8 times 2 is 16. Yeah, we need 9 more. 9 more cells to squeak in there. 9 more sales, and we got 13 hours. So maybe we'll make it. Maybe we won't. See, sometimes you got to lean on your friends like that. Now, just so you guys know, I would do the exact same thing for Tom. I would do the same thing if he asked. I've done it before. I don't know if I've done it. I do think I've done it for Tom. I've done it for Tom. I've done it for a couple of people where they're like, "Hey, I'm 3 sales away," and I'm like, "All right, I got you." So I got you. So guys, I'm trying my best to be a little more restrictive on taking eval trades. Imagine if he enters the giveaway and wins the account. Thanks, Room. Oh. Anyways, being a little more restrictive on just entering on the evals. I don't know if you guys noticed that today. I mean, we're up $900 on this account. I just started it today. There's no real reason to be anything. There's no real reason to be like super aggressive, right? So I'm going to wait for some sort of obvious setup before I kind of take it. I've been taking like lower quality trades on my evals, and while it doesn't necessarily affect my funded trading, I just feel like I could be a little more patient. It's like what I've been doing. I've been getting green on these evals, $1,500, $2,000, and then I'll blow them just over trading, doing stupid stuff. And really, after I've put time into them like that, I should not be doing that. So yeah, it is a short week. And we go full port. And see, that's the reason why. That's why right there, because of Marcin. Because, in the ear talking about the full ports. So we are going to be doing the roundtable again tomorrow on My Funded TV. So it'll be me, Tom, Terry, and Pine again on the roundtable. And I will be leaving Friday for... I'll be leaving Friday to go for vacation there. We're going to travel up north. I might meet up with Tim while I'm gone for a little. We may go out to eat or something, I don't know if I'll let him hold my hand. I'm not sure. But I might meet up with Tim. If you don't know who Tim is, Volatility Trading, Tim Vesh. So we'll meet up with him most likely. Maybe at a casino for some gambling. I don't know. A little gambling action. We'll see. I'm not sure. I don't know if there will be enough time. A little Tim, a little gambling action. Yeah, visible. I just booked the shady looking place. I just booked the shady looking place. You know me. It was cheap enough. It was like the cheapest place available. So that's the one I booked. We might. The problem is Palm Tree will probably be today or tomorrow because Friday's gonna be a half day. But yeah, what could go wrong? Exactly. What could go wrong? I think it's fine. Not a big deal. Oh, we had a couple of more purchases. We need 7.5 sales. 7.5. Can we do it? Won't deliver. We are at war. Dude, we could, Ethan. We're at war or the war is over. So, oh, let me check right quick. I need to see how many accounts I have here because I'm done. I give away all my MyFunded Futures accounts. Today is the last day of the month. So we're down to the nitty gritty on the accounts. So, we won the war. We're in the war. We lost. Oh no, we won. The war's off. The war's on. All right, where's my coupons? Oh, here they are. Okay, let me go ahead and send this one out before I forget. To King Emmons. I shouldn't even send it to him. He's not even in here. Just kidding. He's probably here. Uh, there we go. Exclamation MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. Again, if we get 7 more Take Profit Trader sales, we will do 3 150K account giveaways right now. I will shotgun those, and we'll do a race, and yeah, we'll give those away now. But we need 7.5 more sales. 7.5 more. We either get it or we don't. It's okay. I get some of the strangest notifications sometimes. It's crazy. Some of the strangest. We do have some of the sales also ending tonight, guys. We got the trade of 35% off, five pack sale is going to end today, I believe. The 50% off sale from trade day, I think will be ending on the 3rd. Is that tomorrow? Or when is that? Friday. 2nd or the 3rd. Those are code MM. And then 90% off Apex. I don't know when that ends, but code myth on that one. Fuel and Ox code MM. You guys know the deal. Lucid code MM. Yeah, we can't waste them. Listen, I mean, I want to give them to you guys. I mean, I get a bonus too. You know, I tell you guys this stuff. Like, they give me a $750 bonus if we hit that. So I have incentive to hit it as well. Not just you guys. You get the 3 free accounts, but I get a $750 bonus, and I'll take the bonus. Best shorts is at 600. I mean, I could see that. We got a pivot point up there. The problem is, you know, we're above 75.30 now on the ES, and kind of, you know, just using the Mancini's thought process here. I mean, he's talking about next up 44, 60, and then 90. Like, the squeeze is really on above 30, right? And so unless we lose 30, then I would assume that we're just going to continue higher. So give you some cash to buy. No tango dinero. That's the problem. You see, I have to go on vacation. Got to pay for that stuff. I got to pay for that stuff. Looks like Husk is in a short over here. Eval only, though. Looks like he just banged it. Let's go. I don't hate the short here, actually, because we got the, you kind of pushed up into that initial balance high, rejected it. 25 points off that IB high there. Hey, I appreciate that, iTraits. You demand. You made 650. Let's go. Lassifer, that's amazing. You gonna buy one now? You demand. Let's go. Appreciate you. Husk is over here in a runner. Let's see if he gets it. I mean, this thing loses the 390 here. You could see a nice little shove lower. That 390 is kind of that line in the sand mark here. You do have kind of a sharp upwards trend line here as well. That's a little interesting. We kind of break this. It could run. Now, I don't love the angle of this. It is kind of straight up, but, and you do kind of have quite a bit of consolidation in here. What do we have, like 20 minutes or something? Yeah. All right, testing the 400s here. Lose the 90s, you're going to see a red rocket down to 60, but I don't know if it loses the 90. This is going to be a tough spot to get through. Everything disappeared for a second there. Man, this thing might break here. You might get a nice little dump here. Anybody short? Anybody join Husk in the shorts? I'm being a little more patient. Like I said, I'm trying to really reel in my trading here. Bait and switch, it could be. iTrades, it really could be. I mean, I'm overall bullish. ES is testing the 35 here, right? But I don't know that it gets through the 30, but I do think the retest of 30 puts you down to maybe like 65 area, at least. So, you already exited. Let's go, Troop. Yeah, ATR is reasonable today, though, guys. Look, the ATR is 32. That is the lowest ATR we've had in 2 weeks. 32 at 10:40 in the morning. It's not been that normal in about 2 weeks. So it will be interesting to see if this candle traps. People are already off for break. Yeah, for sure. For sure. People watching the World Cup, they're off for vacation. Look at that. Look at that thing trapping. Man, it's trapping. That is a dirty close on that 2-minute candle. It's going to be interesting to see how this next candle opens and reacts. Now, if it eats that wick, if it pushes back down 90 here, that's a good sign for the bears. But if this thing flips green and we rip back to 420s, it's just going to make a new high. Tough to know here. Yeah, iTrades. I kind of was leaning towards it might be baiting the shorts, but ES is back above 35 here. Let's see if it holds. Yep, here comes the squeeze. Here comes the squeeze. What happened to my leg? Oh, God, I got a cramp. Oh. I got a cramp in my knee. That's weird. That hurt. You guys see I've had this shirt so long that the dog's logo is no longer red. It's like washed out. I've had the shirt for so long. We got to take some medicine. We're hurting today. Man, what's going on there? I got a cramp in my knee. Max heard me bump I just barely bumped my desk and he went crazy. I'm gonna run to the toilet. I'll be right back. I can't get my mic to unmute. Could not get my mic to unmute, guys. All right, the short play paid there. Back to the 21 EMA. Back to the 21 EMA. Hey, 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 hey. We now need 7 sales officially. 7 sales will get us there. 6 times 2, 612. No, not quite. 6.5 sales will get us there, but 7 will definitely do. Look at that thing. Hit the 6, or no, did it hit the 65? Hit the 70, which is the 21 EMA. This is a long trigger here too, guys, by the way. I know it's a trend line break there, but long trigger would have been 390. So, room, I'll be on tonight either way. So, this evening, if we don't make it during today's stream. I did stream last night. I touched the 9 EMA on the 5. I streamed late last night. I stayed on until like, I don't know, 11, after 11 o'clock Eastern. But yeah, I don't know that do I have anything going on this afternoon? I don't think I do. I don't know. A lot of driving yesterday. My son had a MRI in Atlanta, which is an hour and a half away. And he drove because I want him to get comfortable going into Atlanta traffic. He will be attending Georgia Tech in the fall, so he's never really driven on the interstate. So got him out yesterday on the interstate, let him drive to his appointment, let him drive back home. A little bit more stressful when you're not the one driving, but you know, it's all right. He did good. He did good. He did good driving. Didn't scare me too much. Yeah, I think you'll be fine, Lucky. He has migraines, and the doctor doesn't think it's anything other than kind of hereditary stuff. His mom and his uncle and his grandmother all have migraines, so they don't think it's anything. But we push for the MRI because we just want to make sure he's good. You know, he could walk faster half the time. Yeah. But yeah, we ran into some traffic too. Trust me, we were coming back home at 6 p.m. and it's no fun. No fun in Atlanta traffic 6 o'clock at night. Zero fun, sir. The good old ATL traffic, zero fun. If you're, I mean, listen, it's not Rome traffic, that's for sure, but it's Atlanta traffic. ES is bouncing off the 30 here. This could be the bounce spot if we can kind of recover 30. Oh, I forgot I had to do one more thing. I keep forgetting what I'm supposed to be doing this morning. Used to live in Atlanta years ago. Yeah, I mean, like, it's just one of those things. I mean, you get used to it, right? It doesn't bother me to drive there. It's just, when my son has to do it and he's not like to that level yet where his aggression is, you have to be aggressive sometimes if you're changing lanes, if you're on the surface streets, aggression is kind of a thing. So, see, desktop 2025. This could be a short trap. I tend to agree. I think it could push here. ES reclaims 30 here. We probably get the squeeze going. Okay. All right, got that done. All right, let's see if ES holds if it holds below 30 or if it squeezes above it. If it squeezes above it, I feel like we're just going to continue higher here. Let's see here. Yeah, it's kind of making a run towards it here. Holding below for now. But it's got that look in its eye. It's got that look in its eye like it's about to go. It did not. This could be a short strap if it holds above 350. I think if we get back above 375, 380 here, it could go. Listen, Ethan, it's definitely it's more I don't want to use the word normal, but it's more layered towards normal, right? It's more layered towards the normal side for sure. There comes a little dump candle here. ES retested 30 there, held below it. This thing feels like it could run down lower here. Watching the ES, I mean, it definitely has room. What happened, Ethan? It's pre-Trump. Yeah. He might tweet soon. Trump said, if you build it, I will come. If you build it, I will tweet. Apple just hit New York high while Nvidia, Meta, and Amazon are dropping. Yeah, short looks okay there now. I mean, the loss of 30 here. I think let's just look and see what Mancini says. But if he has said anything, I think he'd say something along the line, watch for traps of 30. Maybe. $75.30 hit. I've called it for the target every day since last Monday. It was a technical requirement to hit it, and we did. Last long trigger was 21 reclaim to get us there, plus 100 points off that. Now we ride runner, 44.60, then 50, and then 90. 90 is the new magnet. Okay. So yeah, we kind of think reclaims of 30 would be a thing, but we'll see. Back down to 20 here on the ES. Also on the Nasdaq. All right, we're doing the giveaway here in about 5 minutes, guys. Let's check and see how close we are to the Take Profit Trader goal. We are still 6.5 sales away. Approaching the 5-minute 21 EMA here as well. This is kind of your obvious drawdown here, 274. I mean, if we get back above 30 there, that could be an interesting spot to maybe take a long, but I don't know. Oops, I dropped that. Max is jumpy this morning. He doesn't normally bark all that much when I accidentally bump against something, but today he's been doing it. We'll probably shotgun, depending upon how many people are in there, get the dildo race going. Let's see. Long from 20. I like it, troops. I like it. So we are kind of generating some liquidity on the way down here, right? Kind of. It's not that clean. I mean, I would expect us to maybe run 274 here. Kind of makes sense. Oh, 5 live accounts. Dang. Let's go. iTrade, you're here. Don't miss it. Yeah, troops. I don't know if you're going for like a big move or not. I'm just trying to grab 10, 12 points, 15. All right, looks like it might break here and hit that 275. Lose 90, certainly going to go there. Plus 500, let's go. 1 to 2 mics. It's the way to do it. This next break of 290, I think, gets us a shove down. Been scalping the short. Nice. I think the next break of 90 takes us down to that 74 wick, even 71 pretty quick. So I'm going to give it a quick try. I don't normally just park orders like this, but that's what I think. That first shove down kind of loosens it up. The next one, a quick break-even trade there. I don't even know if I made any money on that. Nope. So that means it hit 10 points, but it did not feel me. Can do the same thing again. So it went 10 points, but it just did not feel me. I don't know. I guess it didn't look like it even went 10 points. I don't know why it didn't feel me, or why it didn't, why did it go break even there? Break even's supposed to be at 10 points. Oh, ES is holding the 20 as well there. Do I raise it up to 300 here? Because Husk is feeling me soon. Uh-oh. I don't like it now. I'm watching the ES here. I'm not a fan. We're also at that 50 EMA there, holding pretty strong. Problem is holding that 20 EMA. This could be a spot where you could long. Oh, this is top of the hour as well. If it breaks through there, I might take it. Yeah, troops. I'll take that off there. Looks good for a pushback up here. It really does. Push above 50 here. I'm probably going to take it. All right, I'm taking it here. Need a good strong close here. Should go now. This next shove above 60, I'm going to drop the stop at break even. I have to drop it there. There we go. Thank you, Ethan. It could be Donovan. You never know, right? You never, ever know. We're at that trend line now. If this breaks, you're going to see that Hulk smash boner candle probably pretty fast here. Can she break? I think I could even target higher here. We could go for 10. Probably get stopped, but all right. Okay, time to do the giveaway, guys. Let me refresh, see if we got the sales. Still going to do giveaway, a good one. We still need 6.5 sales. All right, let's get the giveaway going. We got 57 watchers. Let's go ahead and close the entries. We're going to do the quick shotgun here. And we're going to get a dildo race going. The little mean candle. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? On your marks, get set, go! Exclamation MM in the chat. 1 minute. Let me get the race set up here for you guys while we're waiting. Remember, guys, as long as we can get the sales by the end of the day today, I'll do the giveaway. I will, if it happens, let's say that it happens tonight instead of this morning. I'll save one account to give away to you guys, or we'll do, we'll do something. Maybe we'll give away the rest of the Apexes or something. I don't know. Whatever the case may be, but we need 6.5 sales. So either 3 150Ks or 5 4 50Ks and 2 25Ks, something like that. Some sort of combination there. All right, and 5 seconds. And here we go. Here's the racers. Limey the Great. Limey the Great's in there. 44 the Punisher. Morning Bear. The Business Lens. A lot of OG watchers here. Keith Matthews. I like it. Not seeing any new names so far. Mito Hour. Zubku. Homer Simpson, I'm assuming. Shut the fuck Up. Oh, Simply Crystal squeaks into the race. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. On your marks. Get set. Go. The business lens off to a fast start. Zubku not to be outdone. We'll see who doesn't pull back here. Simply Crystal's the light pink dildo today. The light pink one. Mido making his case. Mido's not pulling back. This is the winner. We can already tell. Crystal's trying to make a run at it, but not going to happen. Mido's not pulling back at all. I don't know. Business Lens, though, he's not really pulling back either. Let's see. Tony, you missed it. Oh, darn it. That is room. That is. She's not going to win, though. She can't do it. She's going to come in second or third. Mido's the winner. There's no drama in this race. Mido, are you here? Look, we're breaking out here, guys. I am going to buy one more time here. I'm going to buy one more time. I need 95. Where's the stop need to be on this? Mido's here. Mido, send me a message to methodicalman@gmail.com. Just include in the email screenshot showing you're logged into your YouTube channel, and that's it. That's all you need. I'm going to be sending you a code for a free account. All right, breaking out here. Can it go? And what is the ES at? Okay, ES is back above 30. I like this here. I'm going to go break even at 90, I think, here. I want to just see it squeeze through. Oh, you guys can't even see it. I forgot. I want to see a squeeze right through 90 there, so I'm going to go break even at 90. So we only need 95, so come on, go. Oh, come on. I was going to go break even there, but I think it still goes. Nope, maybe not. This could be a good ad spot. I'm going to add here. And I'm going to go break even this time above 90 for sure, 100%. Because we can't, we're in double the size now. Oh, come on, get through there. You know why it's dicking around? Because I moved my stop. I did the cardinal sin of touching the stop before it hits the break even. You're not supposed to move it or even touch it until it hits your break even. Them's are the rules. This thing should go here. There's no real reason for it not to go. Well, it's not going. Well, we got the stop in. We'll just see what happens. All right. My door, it's going to be a Lucid account. 50K flex. You got to be kidding me, bro. You got to be kidding me, man. This is one of those trades, like, I know it's going to go, so I'm going to try to give it more room. It might end up costing me here. I got to sneeze. Let's go, troops. Plus 584. Locking out. Cold turkey. No, no, no. Haven't heard of that. Get up there. Stop yanking me around. All right, I'm not going to touch the stop this time until it gets above the wick there at 90. Watching the ES closely here, too, because it is approaching 35, which is kind of a level there. Bang! Don't fade me, bro. You would think we'd get the squeeze on up here into my 415s at least. Next, if we get another shove above the high, I was going to move the stop in for 10 more points, but it's kind of choppy here back and forth, huh? If we get back above this high here, I'll lock in 402. Do I find it hard to see the profit and loss? No. It must be the stream. I see it just fine. Although I don't really care about the profit and loss, to be honest, because I already know what I'm risking and what I'm incurring. You know, like, I know this target's a little north of 30 points. Which with the micros, you know, basically $60. Make you holla. I'm actually going to move the stop back to break even here. Because I do think there's a world where this could pull back into that 390 and then go. Let's see. I don't want it to, obviously. And if it gets back above the high, I'm going to lock in 402. Which will be 20 points or 40 bucks. But it actually should hold right here. ES is above 35. It's held above it. It's closed above it. It could also be because, like, the chart's so small, right? If I make it bigger, I don't know if that's better or not. Unfortunate. Stopped me out. All right, let's look at the P&L for the day here. Let's take a peek. We're up 224.80 on that account we were just trading. We're about $800 away from passing. We passed that take profit trader account right there, and we're green on these other Lucids, Tradeify, Trade Day, and take profits. There you go. Up $800 on Traders launch. Locked out for the day on that account. Up $600 on the Builder. And just over $1,000 on the Buellanox account. So that's going to be it for me, guys. I'll be over on My Funded Futures TV in about 13 minutes. Stayed over a little bit today. We will check one more time before we go. Let's see if we hit the diamond or not. Oh, man, it's going to make me log back in again. Let's check it right quick and just see if we hit it or not. And we are still 6 sales away. So same thing. 6 sales. We still need 6.5 sales, guys. If we get it, we do the giveaway. If we don't, we don't. It's no big deal. TPT logs you out. Yeah, they do. I do appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash